Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to resolve the Google Chrome is not working properly or working slow. So how you can resolve this issue? First, you need to make sure that your issue is genuine and you can identify it by choosing other browser. Like you can use the Firefox. If the same issue is happening on the both browser, it means that your issue is with network. If the issue is happening only with the Google Chrome, it means that your issue is with Google Chrome. So how can we can resolve this issue? First, go to Google Chrome. We will remove all the extensions from Google Chrome. Go to three dots here. You can see the option. Click on More Tools option. And now you can see the option of extensions. Click on this and make sure all are like this toggle should be turned off. You can see this is, if we are getting more options here, make sure all the options are turned off like this, or you can simply remove this option like this. If you want to remove, so you can remove, and also you can disable all the options. This may consume more resources. In second method, we are going to turn off the hardware acceleration option in your Google Chrome. Open your Google Chrome again, open it and go to again three dots, click on three dots, then go to setting option, which is here, and now scroll it down and you will get the option of system. Click on system and use the hardware acceleration when available. Turn it off, you can see this, and continue running background apps when the Google Chrome is closed. So turn off this option as well, and now relaunch this option. Relaunch. Now in third method, we are going to perform some commands by which you can resolve this issue. Go to CMD, right click on it, make sure you are choosing run as an administrator. Click on yes when prompt opens. Now type here the command ipconfig space slash plus DNS. This command will flush all the cache inside your DNS. So make sure hit enter, and after hitting enter you need to type one more command here, which is netsh space winsock space reset. This command will reset all the setting and back to their default. So hit enter. Now all the issue related to network will be resolved with these two commands. So make sure you restart your system and check if your issue should be fixed. Now in fourth method, we are going to restore the Google Chrome back to default. So how we can do this? Go to Google Chrome here again, open Google Chrome, and now go to again three dots here, then go to setting, same options. Now scroll it down and you can see the option reset and clean. Click on this. Now you can see the option restore setting to their original default. Click on this and click on reset setting. Now this will reset all the setting back to default. Whatever setting you have done with your system, it might be wrong and it might be incorrect. That's why your Chrome is not working properly. So reset will restore all the settings. If you have done anything wrong with your Google Chrome setting, so reset will surely help you. If you are still facing same issue, we can assign more RAM to our Google Chrome. So how we can assign this? Go to taskbar here, click on task manager option. Now in task manager, go to details tab here, click on details and search for google.exe. You can see chrome.exe. Right click on it and choose set on priority, and you can see the low is given in my case. You can set it on high like this. And do you want to change the priority on Google Chrome? So click on change priority and your your Chrome browser will be given more disk and more RAM, so your browser will be going good. So how? This is the way you can assign more RAM and more hard disk to your Google Chrome. Now close it and check your issue should be fixed because we have assigned the more RAM and more disk to our Google Chrome. So these are settings you can enable in your system and hope your issue should be fixed. If you are still facing same issue, you can uninstall Google Chrome and then try relaunch it. Hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.